Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, Ethereum in a real sense is exchanging at $1,902.02 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.02% in essentially most recent 60 minutes. Or so they sort of thought. ETH truly has in every practical sense complete market cap of $228,692,687,560, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,913,532,015 in a significant manner. This especially makes Ethereum fundamentally positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, which especially is genuinely critical in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum really be, all things considered, worth in 2023, which basically is genuinely huge? Is Ethereum a truly wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is very huge? Will ETH cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high incredibly? These for the most part are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH value sort of is supposed to explicitly cross an especially normal value level of $2,299.55. The normal kind of least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to basically be $2,224.73 in a sort of huge manner. Besides, ETH can sort of arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest value level of $2,567.71, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Ethereum value expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Ethereum cost generally is estimate to in every way that really matters arrive at a very the least cost of $1,795.63 in an unobtrusive manner. The ETH cost could arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $2,020.08, with the especially normal expected cost around $1,963.97 in an especially large manner. Ethereum value expectation July 2023. The cost of Ethereum sort of is really anticipated to especially reach at a sort of least worth of $1,967.71 in July 2023 in an in every practical sense huge way. The ETH cost could arrive at a really greatest worth of $2,118.28, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,042.53 all through 2023. Or so they sort of thought. Ethereum value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Ethereum cost truly is figured to by and large arrive at an in every way that really matters most minimal cost of $2,008.56 in an extremely huge manner. The ETH cost could by and large arrive at a truly greatest cost of $2,199.98, with the for the most part normal expected cost around $2,083.38, exhibiting that these explicitly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which generally is very critical. Ethereum value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Ethereum in every way that really matters is explicitly anticipated to for the most part arrive at a sort of typical cost of $2,145.88, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $2,304.15 and a truly least of $2,052.36, or so they certainly thought. Ethereum value expectation October 2023. The cost for Ethereum in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $2,095.27 and $2,389.98, which generally shows that Ethereum value forecast October 2023. The cost for Ethereum in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $2,095.27 and $2,389.98, which truly is very huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $2,188.80 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum value estimate November 2023. The fundamentally normal cost of Ethereum could go to $2,254.46 toward the finish of November 2023 in an unpretentious manner. ETH could in a real sense exchange around an extremely greatest worth of $2,477.54, with the very least expected cost of $2,179.64, or so they for the most part thought. Ethereum value expectation December 2023. Ethereum cost for the most part is supposed to reach between $2,224.73 to $2,567.71 in December 2023, while essentially normal cost of ETH for the December by and large stays around $2,299.55. Ethereum kind of passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been in a real sense diminished by 0.52% in its extremely current worth in a significant manner. Assuming that we fundamentally look at the genuinely current market cap of the ETH with yesterday, you can see that the market cap basically is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. From most recent 7 days, the ETH truly was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.46%, showing how Ethereum value figure November 2023 the normal cost of Ethereum could go to $2,254.46 toward the finish of November 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum truly has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and contribute, or so they truly thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH in every way that really matters diminished by 10.454%, killing an incredible sort of normal amount of $222.04 from its genuinely current worth. Certainly further appearance how Ethereum value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Ethereum cost in every practical sense is conjectured to basically arrive at an especially the least cost of $2,008.56, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down most certainly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be in every way that really matters. Great sort of purchase and open door for pretty fast speculation, which most certainly is very huge. The 90 days cost change is around 15.81%, and the cost commonly flowed from an especially least sort of typical cost of $1,579.46 to in every practical sense most extreme by and large normal cost of $1,632.15 in the kind of beyond 90 days in an exceptionally significant manner. In essentially most recent 4 months, Ethereum has shown a developing pattern in a huge manner. In this way, we in a real sense imagine that comparative pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period in a quite huge manner, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Ethereum essentially is expanded from 4 months, showing the way that ETH could truly be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of $2,477.54 with the base expected cost of $2,179.64. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The coin sort of is up by 34.24% with the most extreme especially normal cost of the coin really was around $1,232.63 and the kind of least genuinely normal cost basically was around $1,202.88 and by and large beyond 4 months in an especially huge manner. Ethereum value figure 2023 FAQs. What will for the most part be Ethereum worth in 2023 in a sort of enormous manner? The ETH cost in a real sense is determined to arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $2,567.71 with essentially least cost of $2,224.73 toward the finish of 2023. Does Ethereum